Welcome to.
Oh my god.
We've been out like it's a swear.
Welcome to.
It's just like the trap.
Okay, hey guys, it's Sienna and welcome back to my channel. Damn it, I swear.
Oh my god, I don't do that.
You said Stephanie, and in this class of pronunciation CA that I have, like, you have to stress the syllables at different times. So we were like, Stephanie.
That's not funny.
It's like twice you just Jesus died for your Cynthia. Okay, sorry.
Oh my god, wait. Oh my god. Alright, we're better. We're good.
Wait, I'm gonna look like.
Hey guys, it's Sienna and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my roomies and we're gonna do a roommate tag. And we honestly don't know what we're doing, so please don't judge us.
Oh, I'm Faven. I'm from Boston. I'm Sophia. I'm from Connecticut.
I'm Emma. I'm from New York.
I'm Bree. I'm from Washington.
That was so formal.
Yeah, I know. It was like in section where
I thought you were gonna cry when you said yours.
Wait, you have to go to.
I'm Sienna, I'm from California. Hi. You know what, we're gonna start. So basically, the way that we're gonna play this is I'm gonna read out a series of questions, and then whoever we think the question applies to most, we're gonna say like 1, 2, 3, and then like lift that person's name up. And everyone should have like a me card for themselves. Okay, cool. Number 1, who is the messiest? This also tests to like how well we know each other if we all say the same one. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wait,
Are they all different?
Me?
Clean.
I don't know.
I'm just gonna roast myself.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, that was good. Who spends the most time in the room? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I said
Is that a tie?
It's a double.
That's like pretty much a tie. Yeah, I would say. Though I always know that like at any time I can come back and like either one of you will be there, which is nice.
Yeah,
like I don't think I've ever come back to a completely empty room.
No.
Which is like honestly comforting.
Yeah, it's nice.
There's always someone there. Who goes out the most? Or parties the
This
most?
term or last term?
Which one? Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good question.
I would say in the entire like what is it?
Okay.
The entire time of us knowing each other,
Okay.
who's gone out the most? 1, 2, 3. It's definitely fair.
I'm over it.
Faven has definitely calmed down this semester. I feel like I've like riled
Yeah,
the whole
you're
semester.
definitely my
That's why I chose
Yeah.
you.
Except not when I'm sick, because we're not doing that again.
Old Faven has died.
She's given up the
Literally has
Okay.
died.
Who takes the longest showers? This is a
I take mad long showers.
You do?
Okay.
Showers too.
You just kind of type it.
Yeah.
The
okay.
lights turn off.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
What? Oh, you take long showers.
I know. We've only
Okay.
like.
I like with the because you said I take mad long.
Actually,
I love
still have a
showering.
shower.
But I have to be in the
Water
bathroom
conservation.
when you guys
This
are trying
hair
to the
just
whole
takes a
time
long time to come through.
for me to know. The Earth is gonna die anyways.
We only have
I'm
one.
taking advantage of not being in California, okay?
Oh yeah.
You still in a drought?
Yeah.
There was a
Okay, though. Who does the most chores?
chores. Easy.
Yeah, right.
What?
I'm not telling you my answers.
Well, the blue one's at the back.
Okay.
I'm gonna go.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. It's
okay.
It's Faven.
What chores do you do? Exactly. I take out the trash.
Always
It's your
trash.
No, like this, like the common.
It's true. It's true.
I don't know.
I
feel like I take out the trash.
It's a tie.
Okay.
Okay.
Sophia, I appreciate you.
What?
Did you put Faven or you?
No, I put Faven.
Okay. I think all of us
that
put
don't.
Faven.
You all put
separate.
Faven?
Faven's just like really clean.
Sorry. Who studies the most?
Oh, that's easy.
Everyone can see everyone's like
One,
cards.
two, I know, Faven and I have an advantage. 1, 2, 3. It's Brie.
Yeah.
Free study.
The scholar in the
Pre-med,
house.
dedicated pre-med student over here. You make me feel guilty.
I know, it makes me
Yeah.
so guilty.
I'm just like, I'm
Like,
gonna
should
take
I
a
just do
nap?
her homework too?
Okay, who has the most friends over?
Easy.
That's also really easy.
Yeah. Easy.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We all agreed.
It's probably because your friends live like the closest, I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah, down the hall.
Yeah. This is the last of like these ones, but who brings the most guys over? Not counting boyfriends. Who brings the most
Other
guys
guys
over?
even been in here? Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh.
No!
Oh.
Yeah. Who brings most guys over?
Okay.
3, 2, 1! David, you two thinks you're just a social.
Oh, friends? Yeah, no,
Yeah.
friends.
Well,
Guys?
yeah. Guys that are friends.
Friends. Okay.
John does not count.
Friend-
Okay,
Boys.
what about in a non-friend sense?
Well, that now it's counting. Said.
Said person.
Said individual.
Yeah, said. Yeah, this is
There's a fair
question. This is a. He's a fair answer. My mom's gonna see this.
Is she like?
Yeah, like.
Oh my gosh, she knows.
He's basically the sixth member.
Basically.
Yeah.
Harry, come out here.
We should call it like what
That's
it's
like
like.
listening right now. This might be longer, but what was your first impression of each other?
Bro, I'm a low key came back from Bob and I was like, bro, this girl did Bob.
I thought you were like,
That's
shit.
funny.
I haven't showered for 1 week and I saw you.
She came back, she was like, I haven't showered for a week. And I was like, who is my roommate?
Were you guys the first in the room?
Yeah.
That's.
But
I thought you didn't like me, to be honest.
yeah, I was
I
like,
know, 'cause, like,
questioning
I was
you,
like staying the first night and then you like you were here and then you left.
well, yeah, that's just because I happen to live
It
10
was a
minutes
lonely
away. But
night. Yeah, true.
that was my first impression of you.
I thought you were really nice.
Yeah.
I like saw you downstairs on like the first before you even came up.
Oh yeah, and they were like,
oh,
I
wait,
think we're
that's-
roommates.
Yeah.
And we were just
What's
like,
up?
"Come on." Yeah, that was funny. Everyone's parents were there, so
Yeah.
just moving stuff in. Sienna, on the other hand. No,
That was your time.
That's
That's
your
your
chance.
chance. Be honest.
At first, I was like, bro, why would you get another room? What did you say the backstory?
The thing was like, let's know the backstory.
Yeah.
Okay, I explained that I switched. Basically, they had. I think I explained this to him. Did I? I don't know. I'm gonna explain it again. But they had a suite of 5 with only 4 girls, and they were told that they were gonna maybe get another roommate. And then I happened to be that surprise right before reading week.
Yeah.
Literally the day of reading week, right before finals, which was a nice time for everyone. But
Yeah.
yeah,
Well, the
a
funny
glorious
thing
time.
was like Sienna's bed was like we accidentally broke it,
Uh,
and then we came and fixed it, and then it just like took up the entire common room.
For like a week.
And then we were all just like walking around and like
Then we redecorated it and like put it up against the wall.
I
Yeah,
remember
it was
seeing
all,
it. I was like,
vertical.
oh, I'm gonna sleep vertical.
like, strap in.
Let's see. Do you have a group chat, and if so, what is it called? If anything.
I
This is so funny.
I
This is
just
literally-
You just
Do you want to
renamed
say it?
Yeah, it's called. Wait, can we even say our dorm?
Oh. Let's just
Like,
say
are you guys
gonna
dorm
come
name
here and find
Yeah,
out?
honestly,
I really hope not.
They don't have the
Let's not
swipe.
say the dorm. We can say the number.
Don't they know our dorm though?
No, I
Oh.
haven't said it yet.
Oh, dope. It's called Blank. Called Blank. 4 logos. That's what it's called.
Because we're
Yeah, guys.
You renamed that? They gave it a name and named it that?
Did
Yeah,
you
I
see
did
that?
not see
I
I
didn't
didn't see it. I thought it was like a strike of genius on my part, but
Which is funny because I don't think I've ever seen a 4 logo in here.
In
Yeah.
here?
Not in
Yeah,
here.
it's
No.
like we have
we're here. I don't think there's never.
Never even heard.
I don't drink alcohol.
Yeah. I'm actually a nun.
Oh, this is a good one. If you could remove any of your roommate's things, what would it be?
Bree's alarm clock.
Oh,
Oh, word, yeah.
Oh my God.
So loud. That sounded like a fire alarm. The first thing I heard.
It's worse.
I try to turn it off. Like, I wake up to my phone alarm and then I turn it off. So Sophia doesn't have to listen to
It's
it.
so loud.
What is that sound? It's literally like the sound of like a prison break-in. Like,
Yeah,
it's like just like
vintage alarm clocks that like goes
error
down before.
alert.
Vintage. Hipster, she's cool.
Yes.
What is it? Is it DEFCON 1 or DEFCON 5? I never.
I have absolutely no idea.
You know what I mean?
What's
When they're like, we're
DEFCON
moving
stand
to DEFCON, is it 1 or 5? I always mix them up.
DEFCON.
Like the eagle.
I feel
is
like
on the
DEFCON
moon.
5 is bad. What's DEFCON?
Yeah.
Danger alert.
007.
Yeah, it's kind of
Oh.
just like level of like
I'll look it up.
threat to security.
Basically, we're fucked. It's like there's a threat to security. Because we don't know which one's
No, I'm saying her
Bree
alarm
is
sounds
not
like
awake.
that.
Harvard is shutting down.
DEFCON 5.
It is 5.
Oh wow, that's a nuclear symbol.
Yeah, that's literally what they're.
Are there
No,
nuclear
5
shelters
is the minimum. Normal
it is
peacetime status, and 1 is a global severity.
Glow.
Yeah.
No, I mean,
Maximum.
it's literally what
So
they do.
right.
Like,
Like
the
zero.
president does.
Yeah.
It's like literally a thing.
No, when Brie alarm clock goes off, the entire galaxy is like on alert.
What
would it be besides Brie's alarm clock?
Like,
That's basically it.
Whatever that
David's
smell was and
body.
wherever it came
oh
from.
my god. No, when we had the bookshelf over there and I was cleaning it up, there was
The banana.
like
How
decomposing.
about the rat that came?
Oh my
That was literally
god!
I still have that
The
freaking
most-
mouse shot right there.
the most
From
traumatic
the morning.
experience of my life.
Yeah, Colonel Favorite.
Colonel Raven. We just get a message in the middle of classes. Alert! Let me read
Yeah,
it.
you can read
Yeah,
it. You're not okay.
I was fully gonna sleep on
I
the
was
top of the
not
wardrobe,
okay.
like in the fetal position, just
Why?
No.
Be so specific.
Oh,
No,
here we
it's
go.
like I didn't want the rat to
Position.
reach me.
Yo, roommates, all caps. Potential mouse in the room. Warfare strategy. I'm vacuuming right now. I told Yard Ops to place mouse traps. Swifter. Strategy must be implemented promptly if we want to win the war. We will convene at nighttime in order to discuss future plans. Sincerely, Colonel Favorite.
Like I think I cried when you called me.
I cried.
I was in Lamont.
She was at Lamont doing her Equity set. She was
Oh.
just like, I can't.
Wait, how much of that was
too
from the
much.
mouse, though, honestly? Or was it like
Or was it just
actually
also
like, just
Equity
crying
set?
from
All
Equity
Equity
Lamont?
sets.
all of it together.
Do you use your roommate's things without asking?
Yes.
Yeah.
I use your straightener sometimes.
Well, you asked me like.
Yeah, but sometimes I don't
Okay,
ask,
okay.
and I just take it.
I feel like
do, and I'm not
I feel like
saying.
I think you ate my granola bars.
I never ate your
The
granola
box
bar.
was full, and I come back and there's one left.
Wait, was this last term?
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
no
that
way
happened
I
to
ate
me
more
too.
than one
Yeah,
granola
I
bar.
was missing some. But
I was.
That wasn't
I'm trying to think, is there anything?
keys,
Oh, like who's ever
Keys,
used
we
my
always
keys?
take Santa's
Yes,
keys.
Everyone uses my
Oh,
keys.
it's
No, but
Really?
I like tell you
I
too.
use mine.
For me, like,
That's totally
if you
allowed.
ask and then I say yes, that's kind of permission.
Well, like,
to
I
use
use the
it
water,
after
which
without
is-
asking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But they want to get another water jug.
Word.
Kind of going off that, what do you most commonly argue about, if anything?
I don't want to be arguing.
We don't argue.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing.
There's nothing ever.
It's basically just heaven here in blank 4-4.
Like four
logos.
Wait, this is gonna put us on the spot. When are each other's birthdays?
I don't know.
February 24th, send gifts.
I thought you knew someone else's. Do you know anyone else's yours?
Wait, yours is March.
January 4th.
Wait, how did you know that?
I don't know.
7th.
Yeah!
Yours is February.
I just
I just said it!
What is it?
February 24th.
You
Oh,
remember
I-
my month, the month of mine. Do you remember mine?
Yeah, I know, because we were like, oh, we should do a joint party. Like,
Yeah, that's
right.
Okay, but do you remember mine?
December?
Bro.
November?
No, you.
No,
September?
Yeah.
September!
26.
No. 18.
13.
Close.
19.
No.
17.
Yeah.
17!
Bro, you threw me a
I was
surprise
convinced
thing.
it was November 13th.
No, it was like the second week of school.
Something else happened November 13th.
We got mono. I'm not kicked out.
Like a real life.
You're not kicked out yet.
Yeah,
No,
we're not getting kicked out.
No.
I've done nothing.
Oh yeah, we can't even get rescinded now. We can only get expelled.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We made it.
We made it.
Got
Yeah,
expelled.
Everyone made that joke on
Watch my next video. Be like, I got expelled from Harvard.
Let me
Hey
tell
guys,
you.
dot. So this is a new location. Like SSL.
Back in California.
I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you should
Like, comment, and subscribe.
No, we all do it together. Let's all do it together. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe.
It's too late.
Alright, no,
Yeah.
comment,
here. 1, 2, 3.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank
That
you.
was so cringy.
Yeah, I knew if we said it all at the same time, it'd be so dumb.
Yeah.
Cut.
We did it.
Mm.
That doesn't even look. Wait, cut this out. Cut that out.
Cut this out. Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that out. I think I
Cut that out.
Cut that out. Cut this out. Like, cut that out. Cut that